Sorry, yes, cut me off slightly with that, just to finish off around confidentiality. So Kat, bless her, did this. I can't take any credit, and it's so you've got it's a convict there. Fee, I don't know what that is. Den, she, Muhammad Ali, T, confidentiality. So she got them students to work that out last year, but no one could work it out, so it's so cryptic. So please be mindful of confidentiality. So be on the safe side. Don't name people, don't name hospitals, don't name organisations, trusts, towns. Anonymise everything, even the town, or be very vague, like a cancer ward in a large urban hospital. It's really important that you do this within the main body, but also check your assets as well and check that there's nothing in there. So for next time, pre-lecture reading on reflection to be posted on Blackboard. Your session with the academic advisor groups, you're going to be actually doing your life story. So if you can bring your one from your first year or do a new one, it's totally up to you. And you're going to share that with your academic group. So I want you to look, also take this opportunity to look about all your feedback from last year, make some notes on templates or Pebble Pad, maybe book an appointment with your academic advisor, go through this, look at the HCPC website and read a sample audit, and go through your Pebble Pad portfolio and take your evidence with the 3 learning objectives, and copy and submit it to the workspace, please. So hope that's been useful. These slides will be available on your Blackboard site if you want to go through them again. And I've put a discussion board, not only for assignment for sport, just for general questions on the module as well, so you can post any questions or queries on there. And just, yes, come into it with really open mind, positive mind. You will get out of this module what you're willing to put in. And just, mix it up a bit as well. Don't always work with the same people, because it's better experience to work with others. Okay, hope that's been useful, and I'll see you